Hi, I'm Eyal Shifroni, and I want to invite you to two in-person workshops that I'm going to offer this coming fall in Canada. The first will be in Western Canada, in Calgary, from September 23rd to September 25th. In this workshop, we will study the concept of the chitta, or consciousness, and learn how to practice in order to achieve a more balanced, calm, and harmonious mind. The second will be on Eastern Canada in Toronto from September 30 to October 2. In this workshop, we learn new ways to use props to enhance and deepen our practice and to continue practicing even when we are aging. For more information and registration, please visit yogadna.org.